Hi, my name is Igboema Veloskinichuku and I'm the founder of EAS, an educational agentic system. As a student myself, I've experienced this, that having access to materials doesn't equal understanding it. Students in the university have to deal with complex materials overload, having to deal with complex courses that are hard to understand and difficult to navigate. That's why I'm building EAS. EAS is an AI learning platform designed to help students understand what they are learning. Instead of answering like another personalized chatbot, EAS is tailored to understand the student's need, their context of the materials, and tailor it to the student's learning journey, to their particular learning journey, and be able to help the student understand what they are learning. My aim is to make EAS a high-quality educational platform accessible worldwide regardless of location, devices, etc. I'm currently at the prototype stage with my teammates, but the idea is built and we are getting on the MVP. Over the 12 weeks, I want to take EAS from a product to a validated business. I want to get it in front of so many students to use and develop it into a sustainable business model. I want to use the program to strengthen my skills in communication and delivering products. My goal is not just to leave the program with a good product, but a real validation, real users, and a real network. Thank you so much.